Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 26th of November, 2018. Weather, it's currently 38 degrees. That's the high today. Temperature is going to go down as the day goes on. Low tonight of 27 degrees. As you notice, there is a 90% chance of rain or snow. PBIS expectation for this week is the bus. In order to be safe on the bus, we need to stay seated at all times, keep our body inside the bus, keep our feet on the floor, and report problems to the bus driver. In order to be responsible, we need to walk to the bus when it is stopped, backpack on or not, and keep our voice level to a 1. In order to be respectful, we're keeping our hands and feet to ourselves, food and drink in your backpack before entering the bus. We'd just like to say another thank you to Charles, Liliana, Nevaeh, and Lillian for presenting to the Board of Education last Monday. You guys did a fantastic job. Your picture is currently up on the Port Huron Area School District website. Lunch today, Super Sloppy Joe on whole grain bun, baked beans, applesauce, crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow we're looking at a terrific taco on a flour tortilla or taco shell, shredded iceberg lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded Mexican cheese, red grapes, and crunchy baby carrots. Special announcements, just a reminder that the 7th of December is a half day, and when you're walking to school on days like today, please make sure that you are using crosswalks at all times. Drivers have less ability to slow down and stop if you're crossing in the middle of the road. Also use our crossing guards when they are available. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Still waiting for somebody to tell me where this is located. Again, it is in the city that I used to live in, and it is a very important flag in our history. So here we go with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way. Go Voyagers!